Community radios are a child, they were born by the Second Republic. This shows President Mnangagwa when he talks about not leaving any behind and no place behind. This is what community radios are actually realizing. We are making sure that information access is given to each and everyone from the 10 corners of the 10 provinces of this country. We are happy that we have managed to launch a number of them. We gave more than 14 licenses to community radio stations. The communities which we have given licenses, some of them have really worked hard. Even within the community, there's been a lot of support. We have also had a lot of support from development partners, UNESCO in particular, and Patch Media has also been working with us, and many others, to realize the community radio station. I'm happy to say those which have launched, and I'm talking here about our Sheni, who are here today in Chimanimani for this training. I'm talking about Nyangani FM, who have come all the way from Nyanga, who are here for this training, and Chimanimani itself, and Dao FM. They, since they started on air, there is no single day they have not broadcasted. And that is something which we are very proud of as a ministry. We are also saying community radios should be able to get programs of ministries. So we want to talk to those ministries when we are alerting our communities about cholera, for example, about issues of typhoid and many other diseases. When there's a health threat, community radio stations, they can reach a lot of people in their communities. So it would be prudent to use the community radio stations. There is also the issue of we are going towards elections, and ZEC wants to give information about the guidelines for elections and how they will be carried out, so that each and every person will know that these general elections which are getting towards, we need to move as a country. Everyone should know that everybody should be a registered voter, that everybody should check whether they are in the voters' roll. These community radios, once again, if given an opportunity to work with ZEC, they would give that information readily and very easily to the communities they